Hello everyone. Welcome back to my course, Aerospace Engineering, Basics of Aerodynamics. In this video, I will walk you through the structure of this course. I would also greatly appreciate your feedback to help improve the course and make it even more useful for you. Please share your thoughts in the comments section below or reach out to me via the email provided in my profile. Now let's take a look at the structure of this course. First, we need to understand why studying aerodynamics is so important in aviation and aerospace engineering. Why should we learn about airflow behavior, aerodynamic forces, and their practical applications? Let me explain. The field of aircraft design and manufacturing is advancing rapidly. And as aircraft become faster, more efficient, and more environmentally friendly, aerodynamic optimization plays a critical role in reducing fuel consumption, structural loads, and operating costs. A strong understanding of aerodynamics enables you to contribute to the development of more efficient wings, fuselages, and control surfaces, and who knows, you might even help shape the future of flight and make history in the aerospace world. This course is especially valuable for students in the aviation field, learners who want theoretical knowledge about aerodynamic laws and aircraft aerodynamics, non-native English speakers who aim to work in aviation environments where English proficiency is required. Even if you already have some knowledge, this course will help reinforce and expand your understanding, while also improving your aerodynamics-related vocabulary. Aircraft come in many types, each with unique aerodynamic characteristics and flow behaviors. To make this topic more manageable, the course is divided into several units, each with its own subsections. We will examine each topic step by step, ensuring a thorough understanding of aerodynamic principles and their applications. Here's an overview of the Unit 1, the atmosphere and air properties. 1. Short history of aviation. 2. Standard atmospheric model. 3. Fundamental properties of gases and air. 4. Gas laws and the ideal gas, understanding pressure, volume, and temperature relationships. 5. Relative airflow and wind effects. 6. Glider flight, forces, glide angle, and trajectory. Here's an overview of the Unit 2 fundamentals of motion and forces. 1. Newton's laws of motion. 2. Fundamental conservation laws, mass, momentum, and energy. 3. Fundamentals of weight, balance, and aerodynamic forces. Here's an overview of the Unit 3 falling objects and basic motion applications. 1. The physics of falling, free fall, air resistance, and terminal velocity. Here's an overview of the Unit 4 fluid mechanics and flow behavior. 1. Flow types, similarity parameters, and boundary layer fundamentals. 2. Sound waves and the Doppler effect. Here's an overview of the Unit 5 compressible and high-speed aerodynamics. 1. Speed of sound, Mach number, and flight regimes. 2. Compressible flow, isentropic relations, and shock waves. 3. Mass flow rate in aerodynamics. Here's an overview of the Unit 6 aircraft forces and aerodynamic principles. 1. The 4 forces of flight. 2. What is weight? 3. What is thrust? 4. What is drag? 5. What is lift? 6. Aircraft equilibrium and aerodynamic force effects. Here's an overview of the Unit 7 aircraft motion and performance. 1. Fundamentals of aircraft motion and forces. 2. Aircraft rotations, roll, pitch, and yaw. Here's an overview of the Unit 8 aircraft flight control surfaces. 1. Airplane components and definitions. 2. Propulsion systems and thrust generation. 3. Wing geometry and area. 4. Aileron function and roll control. 5. Flap slats and spoilers. 6. Horizontal stabilizer function, pitch control, and stabilators. 7. Vertical stabilizer, yaw control, and tabs. Here's an overview of the Unit 9 airfoils and wing theory. 1. Pressure distribution over an airfoil. 2. Airfoil selection for aircraft performance. Here's an overview of the Unit 10 applied aerodynamics in aircraft design. 1. Aerodynamics of aircraft fuselage and jet engines. 2. Drag reduction techniques. 3. Aerodynamic efficiency and performance metrics. Unit 11. Course summary. At the end of the course, we'll summarize what you've learned, quickly revisiting all the topics to consolidate your understanding. To help you retain the material, there will be quizzes at the end of each unit. These quizzes are designed to reinforce your knowledge and ensure you've grasped the key concepts. At the end of the course, you'll take a final test covering the entire course. This will help you identify areas where you may need further review. If you struggle with any questions, you can revisit the relevant units. If you're still unclear, feel free to ask questions in the comment section or email me directly. I'll respond as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you now have a clearer idea of what we'll cover and can start preparing yourself for the journey ahead. Don't forget to leave your feedback and reach out to me if you have any questions. If you want to excel, feel free to schedule a consultation with me to discuss this course or any aviation-related topics. Study well, take notes, and good luck. See you in the next video. Bye.